to clean household surfaces such as floors, bathtubs, and showers. It can be used in conjunction with your standard home cleaning products like soapy water or bleach. It is much easier to use than your standard floor scrubber that requires you to get down on your knees to scrub. This is because it comes with a handle and does not require a vigorous pain-inducing motion like typical brushes because it's battery operated. It also comes with interchangeable heads for cleaning different types of surfaces.
The Easy Scrub is entering a market with similar yet inferior competition. You may have heard of some of these brands before, such as the Swiffer, Rubbermaid, Liveman, or Bona. The Swiffer goes for $25, while the Rubbermaid $44, the Lippmann $30, and the Boma $32. Despite similarities, the Easy Scrub is battery powered, meaning it takes less physical effort, and it has extender handle that can be attached by the user. Our product comes with interchangeable brush heads for different surfaces.
We specifically designed our product for elderly and disabled persons because the chore of cleaning and scrubbing the floor is a labor-intensive process. With the Easy Scrub, our product reduces the energy and stress that is typically required to clean your floor because it has a battery-operated brush head and an extendable shaft. In addition, our product is an easy-to-use floor scrubber and is not just for the elderly and disabled, but can be used by any homeowner because of its ease of use.
Our original prototype was a handheld brush with an ergonomic grip with the addition of vibration capabilities. Upon redesign, we determined that the addition of a detachable extension rod allows the user to minimize the need of bending at the trunk or being hunched over on the ground, which can cause injury or strain on the user. The final product for the Easy Scrub was a culmination of the two prototype designs with the addition of 3 interchangeable brush heads, which can be completely detached from the brush and cleaned after use. Each head has different bristles depending on the surface being cleaned. A mop head type bristle for ceramic, soft bristle for steel or acrylic, and hard bristle for nylon or heavier acid-based cleaning products. The entire brush body is made of opaque ABS plastic for water resistance and sturdiness. The only exception to this is a clear PET plastic cover over the battery display.
After performing a task analysis and thinking about common problems with products similar to the Easy Scrub, we came up with some key human factors issues to address. These issues are not knowing how to attach the extension rod correctly due to inadequate instructions and a non-intuitive design, the power button being difficult to see and hard to reach due to poor placement, hand cramping resulting from a badly designed handle, bristles that don't clean unless excessive force is used, and brush heads that fall off when the user does not want to detach them. Here at Easy Scrub, we came together to create an all-in-one, flawless cleaning experience. Using our collective knowledge of human factors engineering, we devised solutions for each one of these problems. In order to make attaching the brush extension rod easy to understand, the brush and the rod itself will both be color-coded in order to ensure that it is attached correctly. To correct the issues of the power button being difficult to see and hard to reach, the team decided to implement a light-up power button that is conveniently placed on the handle of the brush. To mitigate hand cramping, much research was put into finding the most ergonomic design for the handle. Because not all surfaces are created equal, we have included several different brush heads that have unique bristles to be used on specific surfaces. Finally, the brush heads will click in place in order to ensure that they stay firmly attached to the handle at all times.
For the manufacturing of the Easy Scrub, we will use ABS plastic to make the scrubber base, the head base, and the shaft. ABS plastic will be used due to its strength and low production costs. For the scrubber base and the head base, we will use injection molding. For the shaft, we will use extrusion molding. For the injection molding machine, we will need 2 different dies, one for the scrubber base and one for the head base. For the extrusion molding, we only need 1 steel die. Other materials include the rubber grip, the bristles, and the PCB/battery. The rubber grip will be pre-made and bought from a foreign source. The bristles will be made out of nylon 6.12 and will be pre-cut at a supplier and shipped to the Easy Scrub facility. The bristles will then be loaded into a brush tufting machine for head assembly. The PCB and battery are needed to allow the brush to be battery powered. For costs, ABS plastic is $1.15 per pound. Nylon 6.12 is $2.67 per pound. The rubber handle is around $1.43 per pound. The circuit board is $5.25 per board, and the battery is 50 cents per battery. Calculating the costs and adding the labor, we found the total to be around $33.54.